We better craft some arrows of our own. There might be trouble up ahead.
There's some ridgewood by the stream.
What do you want? You'll regret it. ついてこれますかね? How's that? Kill if you love the gods!